Alright, welcome to another episode of... I have no idea what we're calling this. It's really cold today, so give me a minute to fire up the heater before I get started. Alright, let me take a break for a second to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So I've got this material right here. And the idea, let's see if you can find a good spot to see. Because we're going to use it to cover the underside of the engine. Okay, so we're going to have this go all the way across the bumper, so it'll divert air into the intercooler, etc. And so right now I've got my center lines marked up. Okay, and I want to take this piece right here, and it's going to go into the bolt holes I have that hold down the power steering lines. And temporarily, we're going to get that bolted in here, and then our corrugated plastic piece right here is going to get sandwiched in between, and then I'm going to attach the front part to the front bumper, and this will give me a template to build an actual metal I don't even know what you call this thing, belly pan, underside piece, whatever, skid plate. So once I get that centerpiece in, these are about 2 feet wide, then I want to move on to the other side where we have our intake. We're gonna mark it all out right here, and then I'll seam them together, do the other side, and then we'll start building off our fender liners off that. So, alright, get finished here. Alright, so we got that belly pan kind of mocked up. Let me show you here. So it's fairly centered. We got our bracing screwed into the support for the power steering lines, and now I'm working on, this is probably distracting this light. Alright, so now I'm going to work on our support for our fender liners. So this will go across, and that'll give me a base to be able to go up and then back this way and meet up with the bumper. Where we at? All in this area to enclose this, kind of like, you know, like your modern cars have those underpans to the front bumpers. So the main reason for this is I've got my air intake right, comes right straight through there, instead of on the Knowles, these they poke out in front of the intercooler. Alright, we got the bumper back on, and I've drawn, you probably can't see it because it's a black marker on a black piece of plastic. So what I did is I held it up against there, and I got my Sharpie mark slot, and then I just traced it all the way around. We're going to cut that out, and then this will fit up inside there. Sorry about the wind, guys. And then we'll have another piece of our template.